The Federal Communications Commission has issued a civil emergency message for the following online platforms: YouTube, TikTok, and Twitch. Effective immediately, citizens are warned of a digital threat posed by the online entity Meowbah. This construct utilizes deceptive anime imagery and an extremely high-pitched, distorted voice to conduct severe digital harassment, slurs, and malicious rage bait operations. Safety instructions: do not engage with the media, do not comment or share re-uploads. Utilize the block and report functions immediately. Remove all reaction channels from your data feeds. Utter indifference is required to neutralize this threat. Do not feed the entity's algorithm. This emergency transmission will now terminate. Reconstruct internet connections with extreme caution.